What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie back again with another video. Today's video, I am going to be doing passion twists, and I want to thank Vanessa Wade TV for recommending passion twists on my natural hair. First and foremost, I would like to introduce you to this leave-in conditioner. It is As I Am leave-in conditioner. And I mentioned this in one of my videos where this is what I used to use before I cut my hair, and I just haven't used it in a while. So I figured, I wonder what it's gonna be like on my hair now versus using Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. And for this style, I wanted to add some type of mousse while I'm twisting my hair. And I normally use Cream of Nature's mousse, but I don't have it. And when I went to the hair store, they didn't have it. And I'm like, I'm not gonna go drive to Walmart because that's where I normally get it. No, I wasn't gonna drive to Walmart. So I love Aussie brand. I used to always use the conditioner. So I don't have no problem with using their mousse. It is with coconut and Australian jojoba. I can never say that word. Jojoba oil. Maximum hold. Silicone free. Perfect. So the smell is pretty good. I actually tested out on my hair earlier just to see how it is. It is a lot thicker than the Cream of Nature's mousse. Cream of Nature's mousse is like really, like once it pumps out, it's like watery. It's foamy, but it's watery. This, it actually holds. Okay, I just want to point out that this thing, as soon as I came inside, it dropped, and then the cover just fell off. I was so irritated. So now I gotta, like, you know, make do, like try to be gentle and then not let it fall off. Like I said, this comes out like shaving cream type thing. Like that's how thick it is. And then it just disappears. With the Cream of Nature's mousse, it's like, it takes a while for it to go away. And I know I said I ran out of some oil, so I went ahead and got that. This is just mainly for my parts, and if I want to apply it to the ends. I'm gonna try out the Shine and Jam in terms of just trying to secure it at the root, because I am gonna try to like plait it in the beginning and then twist it because I want it to last for a while. 4 products, 1 hairstyle. Let's get into it. I'm so peppy this morning. You guys, it is early in the morning. It's 9:27. I've been up since probably like 8:30, and mainly because I would like to record I don't know, just a lot earlier, like make that be the first thing, because my energy is usually like up there versus later in the day it's just like I just want to be chill. So here I am. So I'm pretty pumped about this hairstyle because my hair is already prepped. Look, your girl is always prepared, okay? Throw a hairstyle at me, I already have it prepped and ready to go. Now this hairstyle is basically the Travis Scott look, and if you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. That was very, very fun to me. Just leave any commentary down below. So all I would do is just make this section a little bit more, how can I put it, neater. I'm gonna just brush it down. Just gonna do that. Yo, if this actually came out with a good part, that'd be lit. Your girl is a pro. Okay, so I just combed this out. These are gonna be two twists. All right, first I'm gonna start with my Shine and Jam, just to secure the perimeter. Then for my leave-in conditioner, This is gonna go towards the ends. The texture, the smell, the look is very similar to my As I Am smoothing gel. And I chose this because it's very light. It's like if you add water to it, well, a normal leave-in conditioner that's a lot thicker, you add water to that and it becomes this. So I add some of that there. I didn't even put a lot. Come on. Oh, dang. And remember how I said the bottle is very the bottle is very skinny compared to the Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This is the Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner, right? Look how big it is. And then this is the As I Am. Like, you could sort of kind of tell, but this is just a little bit bigger. I think this has 12 fluid ounces and this has 8. But they're both good, so I do recommend them. All right, now that I put my leave-in conditioner, time for my mousse. Now the cover done fell off when I put it down, so I gotta try to, look, this was me all day yesterday when I got it. Sitting here trying to put it back on. Okay. With this one, you actually gotta shake it so that it comes out all foamy. Oh, and it comes out so uncontrollably. I put that on my hair. See, look, that's too much. Just wasting mousse. So I decided halfway through, well, not halfway, but for this section, baby, these are too small and I'm not trying to be here all day. So yeah, I'm gonna make these a little bit bigger. So I also decided that based on how the mousse is, I feel as though I'm gonna put it towards the end because it's just making my hair feel a little bit like it has too much going on. And so I don't want to feel that while I'm twisting my hair. See, we all make mistakes. It happens. Because I've never applied mousse to my hair while I'm twisting before. And I saw a video and I wanted to like, hey, you know, try that because it is something that kind of holds and it gives it a little bit of shine. So I'm wetting my hair and I'm applying the leave-in conditioner all at once for this section because I'm trying to cut time in half and just do this. I just want to do that first. Whew, I know I'm gonna have to trim my ends later down the line. I have gotten to the last section of my hair and I haven't really been parting it with the comb. I had just been pulling and twisting and pulling and twisting because I'm like I just wanted to finish. But so far it's been an hour, so I've been doing the same process. I started with probably like a braid going down like 3 times, and then I start twisting it. And I do the braid so that it doesn't get frizzier at the root as fast. Oh, my arms hurt. So I finished twisting all of them. I'm just gonna go over some and just trim the ends because I have a lot of straight hairs. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. Alright, I think I got all of them. You know what? I'm gonna split this one into 2. This looks fairly larger than the others. The back of my hair seems to be dried, but the front still has to dry. So I am done twisting my hair. Of course, it's short. Shrinkage is real, people. Apply. You know, I started to go back to the hair store and be like, I picked this up and it was broken. I ain't want to lie to the people, you know, be real. But it ain't no big deal, because I'm the one that broke it when it dropped. So yeah, it's my fault. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with the oil. Now I have my mousse and I'm just going to spray it all over. Oh my gosh, it's so ghetto. You see how it comes out? It looks like shaving cream. Oh. Dang. Add some more oil. The girl's just gonna be oily. Look at that mixture. Perfect. Rub it all up and put it towards the ends of my hair. I don't think I've ever did this before. Look how shiny. Oh my gosh, look how shiny she is. Ooh. Make sure your hair is moisturized, baby. We can't be having some dry roots, or else, ew, she won't grow. Natural, period. These are my curls. So I guess you can say this is like a little bob passion twist look. And thank you, Vanessa Wade TV, for putting me on. Hopefully this is what you meant when you said passion twist. I would assume it's just a bunch of twists that has a little curl pattern to it. I definitely recommend, like, if you want to do this hairstyle, to keep it more lively over time when it gets very old, just add a little bit of mousse and some oil. And it has shine. Bro, you know how somebody just knock at your door and like you did not have a scheduled appointment when somebody gonna come over, and normally people just call you and be like they're outside. And I rarely ever hear a knock at my door. I was just like, I was really scared. The way they knocking, first of all, my room is so far from the front door. So it's like, well, dang, I know you want me to come to the door, but you might as well pay bills the way you knocking at my door. But yeah, it was just FedEx, you guys. I don't know why my face looked like that. You're looking at my hair right now. Don't worry about that. It's just me editing this video after about a couple of weeks now. So this is what my hair looks like. Whole afro. I know. Hopefully I can put up another one soon, but let's get back to the video. I'm almost done. So yeah, my hair is starting to curl up right now. It's this is cute. I like it. Look at this. Gorgeous. This is my hair. Let me show y'all the back. It's so bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Thank you guys for tuning in on this video. Try this out. Definitely a look. Don't worry too much about your parts because your twists are going to be basically covering it. Like you can't even see my parts. You can't see it, but I don't have to worry about my hair unraveling so much, especially towards the root because I started it with plaits, like I mentioned. And to keep this hairstyle up to date, just mousse and a little bit of water, some oil, and you're good to go. Hopefully I'll take pictures and put it on Instagram, like I said. Follow me on Instagram. Your girl is trying to post pictures. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell for post notifications for whenever I do upload a video. You'll be notified right away. And that is it for today's video. Oh my gosh, I did not think my hair would be like, look, it's getting curly already. Girl, this is a wonderful natural journey. Like ever since that growth I've experienced after I took out my faux locks. Oh, you didn't know I took out my faux locks? Go ahead and check that out. So it's just so much growth. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Y'all, this is me like 24/7. Like I'll get up. I know I'm supposed to end the video, but for those of you that stick around to the last minute, kudos to you. But I get up and I'll look at my hair and I'll be like, I'll talk to my boyfriend. I'll be like, babe, look. And he'll just look at me like, but I'm like, y'all understand. Y'all probably looking like, yes, but he just be like, and then goes back to doing whatever he was doing. I'm just making sure y'all get all the footage, you know? I really like how it goes, you know, gets shorter in the back and the front just stays long. It just gives me like this bob look. Like I've always wanted a bob, but this is a start. This is a start. I'm gonna go for real, you guys. This has been lovely. And like I said, try to stick to the basics. Try not to overthink it. Embrace your natural hair. Learn the curls, learn the pattern, learn whatever it is that your hair does on the regular and allow it to grow. It doesn't happen overnight. It does not. This took a good 3 years. Once November hits, it'll be 3 years since my big chop. So it takes time. I love you guys. Suzie is out of here. Bye.